So you're ready for a retake. Maybe your first try on the power assignment wasn't what you hoped it would be. Here is what I need you to do. The most important part of preparing for a retake is fixing what you missed so that you don't make the same mistakes again. So please do the following. In our Canvas page, there's a link at the top that says Edulastic. Click and open, log in, and then it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. Now, off to the side, there are several different icons. For corrections, the one you want is the one that says Grades. Click on it. You should then see your power assignment. Now, make sure you're paying attention to the titles, because as we take more power assignments, there'll be more material over here off to the side. So this one, for example, the first power assignment, I'm going to review. And then anything that is red or yellow, you need to fix on a piece of paper. So you will then click here. I have my piece of paper ready. You'll say, okay, number one, I had this as my answer. This was supposed to be my answer. So on the piece of paper, you will put number one, and you will then do the problem correctly, making sure you get the answer that you are supposed to get. Then I'm going to just give another look at number 5, since I also missed that one. Notice that here it's a multiple choice. So I chose quadrant 2. Now down here, it's going to tell you what the answer is. If it's a multiple choice, I need you to actually give some words in addition to the correction. So say point A. All right, I put it in quadrant 2. I see it's positive, negative. That would be to the right and down. That should actually be quadrant 4. And sure enough, that's what the correct answer is. So for number 5, I would write down point A. That should have been in quadrant 4 because the coordinates were positive, negative, meaning you move to the right and down. Those are the only 2 things this student needed to fix. So that student then takes this correction paper. And then at the front of our classroom, on the table, there are these little half sheets. These little half sheets let me know when you plan to retake your power assignment. So you put your name, your retaking power assignment, in this case 1, when you want to take it, and with whom. Now, for many of you, that's going to be with me. You're just going to come to this classroom and take the test here. For those of you that wish to retake in a study skills class, it's important that I know who your study skills teacher is and when exactly to have your test available so that you can take it during those study skills. I listed here the most convenient times that I'm available. So it's mornings every day, lunches every day, or period 7 when we have period 7. We don't have period 7 every day. Now, if you're busy all those times, but you have a study skills period, we can schedule it then. If you're busy all those times and don't have a study skills period, then we can schedule a different time. We'll figure something out otherwise. Now, let's imagine that you are now ready for your retake. What should you do? Well, I will make the test available to you. So let's imagine you're retaking it in a study skills class. Where you should go is to Edulastic again. So again, back on our Canvas page, click and open the Edulastic link. It'll take you here. You then are going to click on the Assignments tab. And under Assignments, there will be a new one here that will be your power assignment retake. You just start it and give it a go. Then I'll rescore it, and hopefully one retake will be enough. If you need a second retake, you do have that option, but 3 is going to be the maximum. So let's make sure that we're learning from those mistakes and asking questions as you go. With all things, including how these retakes work, as you have questions, please feel free to ask, and I'll be as helpful as I can.